Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my February 2022 IPSY Glam Bag unbagging. So this is a monthly beauty subscription that costs $13 a month. Now, if I'm being honest, this is not my favorite beauty subscription, but it's the one that I've been getting for the longest and it's just so hard for me to stop. But I did already get this month my IPSY Glam Bag X, which is the $55 a quarter subscription. And that unboxing is up on my channel. And I was just not super pleased with that box. I didn't feel like it was super curated to me. And that's what I think I would love about IPSY is the fact that it's supposed to be customized to your preferences, but it just doesn't seem that it really is all that customized lately. Same with this $13 glam bag. It's supposed to be customized to me and you get to choose one of the products, but hopefully the products in here actually will be based off of my feedback, my quiz, everything that I tell IPSY to help customize my bag. But so I also get BoxyCharm. My BoxyCharm premium boxing is already up on my channel for the month. And then my other BoxyCharm, I never remember if it's BoxyLuxe or the regular base box, will be here hopefully soon. I also do a lot of other unboxings, not just beauty, but then also other beauty boxes like, Glossy Box, Look Fantastic. So if that's the type of content you like to watch, please subscribe to my channel. I also review all of the makeup products that I get in these subscriptions as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series here on YouTube. So always just let me know in the comments down below if there's any products you are extra excited for me to review first, and then I can try and prioritize my order of reviewing all the makeup. But now let's get into my unbagging. This is such a cute bag. So my style. I love Valentine's Day. I love pink. I love hearts. So I love this glam bag design. This might be one of my favorite designs ever. So I also have a product left in the mailer here that did not, well, it could have fit in the bag, so I wonder why it wasn't. So first, let me see if I have product information. Oh my gosh, it's even a heart-shaped zipper pull. That is so cute. Ooh, introducing the Edit Fenty. What does that mean? The official Rihanna's iconic brand is coming to IPSY with an exclusive takeover box packed with her cult favorite products from Fenty Beauty and Fenty Skin. This limited edition edit will be available for $50, valued over $170, starting March 1st. Wow, that sounds different for IPSY. So kind of like an additional type of box that you could subscribe to, which another $50 that I'd be spending on IPSY. I kind of want it though. Let me know in the comments down below if that's something you would like to see me unbox on my channel. The Edit Fenty. I mean, I love Fenty Beauty, so I'd probably love to get a Fenty Beauty and Fenty Skin box. But okay, I do have product information here. So we'll start with this product that was just in the mailer loose. Oh, this is a fragrance, I think. Memoir Archives, Destination Unknown. A vegan and cruelty-free fragrance oil. I actually love getting fragrances because I like to change it up. So, ooh, I'm not familiar with this brand, but I'm going to go ahead and do a little test spray. See how I like it. I really like it upon first impression. It has a very classic, common perfume smell. Like it's not very unique, but not in a bad way. It smells both floral and fruity and fresh. Not super potent, overpowering, but really nice. That's a fragrance I would wear. Not the most amazing fragrance that I need to go purchase it and make it my signature scent, but it's nice. I would wear it. It definitely kind of seems a little bit more like summery to me, which is really nice. I want some summer vibes right now. It is snowing today, and I thought we were past the snow, but nope, it is accumulating already a few inches so far. But so, the Memoir Archives Destination Unknown retails for $60 in the full size. So most of the products in here are probably going to be samples, so I don't know my actual retail value, but they say that your 5 Glam Bag products should be valued at least $50, and that is just not something that I see as being true for at least the past few Glam Bags that I've gotten. So that's a bummer, but I am happy with this first product. Let's see what else I got. You know, yeah, they're just looking at a quick glance, I have 5 total products. I didn't get any extra products in my IPSY Glam Bag X. So where are the products that I redeemed points for? I should be getting some in this month, but I don't know. I had a product incorrect or missing in my Glam Bag X, so I just hope that IPSY doesn't mess up the shipping and not send me my points products. But so anyways, let's pull out this product here from Goldfaden MD. I feel like I get a lot of products from this brand and all of their packaging looks the same. I don't love that about this brand, but it is a nice brand and it's expensive. But this here is the Radical Difference Advanced Antioxidant Serum. Now, serums are a type of product that I do not want to be getting an IPSY. I always put on my quiz, on my reviews, that I don't want serums because I just have too many. I would rather get makeup products. So not too pleased to see a serum, but like I said, I do like that brand. It's expensive. They're saying this is full size. See, I feel like that's wrong. This says full size MSRP of $80. That would be way too small. That is wild. Okay. At least it's kind of fun when I get super expensive skincare products in IPSY or BoxyCharm, because if I'm going to get skincare, I would want it to be a very expensive type that I would never purchase on my own, and an $80 serum fits that. Okay, now this does seem full size. This is from the brand Context, which I have gotten like 4 Context products last month. Another one here. Well, that's because I think they were 2 double products last month, but I did really like this brand. But wow, that's a lot of Context Skin products. So this is the Context Skin Matte Lipstick in Hide Your Heart. This is full size, retails for $20. So I actually love to get lip products, but a bullet lipstick, I should wait and not even open it and save it for that dedicated review video. But as I was saying, a bullet lipstick, actually I'm just gonna go for it and show you the color, is my least favorite type of lipstick format to get, probably of all lip products. And that's because I rarely will wear a bullet lipstick because I want my lip products to be long lasting. But this does look like a really pretty color. And I have tried out one other shade of the Context Skin matte lipsticks. I have it in the shade Tears Are Falling, and I really like that. So I'm excited to have another shade of this, but it kind of feels like a repeat product. You know, I did get this matte lipstick in the other shade in BoxyCharm, but IPSY and BoxyCharm are connected now, owned by the same company, I believe. So I would like to not see kind of repeated products in this way, you know? Next up, I have, from the brand Transluce, Intenso Liner Gel Color Pencil in the shade Royal. Okay, so this is a bright blue. It actually seems like the same kind of blue as the packaging here. Eyeliners are definitely a type of product that I have even emailed IPSY to not send me. That's how much I keep getting eyeliners and I don't want them. At least this is not a black eyeliner. I am kind of excited to try out this bright blue. That's a little different. And this one is also full size. So surprisingly, more full size products in this bag than I'm used to getting. But the Transluce Beauty Intenso Liner in Royal is full size, retails for $24. So I actually am getting that $50 retail value in the bag this month with these full size products. So that's really cool. My final product in here, I think this might have been the product that I chose. I wasn't too excited about my choice options, but this is a brand that I haven't tried before, and I love to try out new brands. That's really a fun part of these beauty subscriptions for me. And this is called Peak. I Will Stay Naturally Long Wearing Eyeshadow in the shade Wednesday. And this is also claiming to be full size, retail value of $19. Are you serious? $19 for this little eyeshadow. I mean, it's kind of a big pan for one eyeshadow, but $19 for one eyeshadow is crazy to me. But this is a really pretty purple, metallic, sparkly shade, which it's so hard for me to resist swatching all of these makeup products. But like I said, I'm saving these for that full dedicated review video coming very soon on my channel. So wow, overall the products, I am pretty happy with my assortment of products because I like to get fragrances. Then I got 3 makeup products, 1 skincare, although it is a very expensive skincare, so I guess I'm happy with it. So I'll do a quick recap. And by the way, I would love to hear in the comments down below if you've tried any of these products. If you can give me some feedback, tips, that will help me be even more excited about these products that I got. But so, I have the Memoir fragrance, the Peak eyeshadow, the Translucent eyeliner, the Goldfaden MD serum, and the Context lipstick. So the lipstick from Context, the Peak eyeshadow, apparently the Goldfaden serum, and the eyeliner are all full-size products. This is saying that the only sample is the fragrance, and that's actually a really decent size sample for a fragrance. It definitely has already faded a lot, like not very long lasting or potent, but sometimes that's nice. Sometimes people prefer that. But thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.